Man, again, it just goes by so fast, and it's like knowing that we've been together for so long and like we are actually like here now. It's pretty incredible.
I'm feeling excited. I'm feeling a little nervous, but it's been a long time coming, and I'm just excited for this next season for us.
You look so beautiful. Oh my God. I can't believe we're doing this. You look so beautiful. I love you.
In 2013, Austin traded banyan trees for Douglas firs and moved to Oregon. There he met Savannah and subsequently became a member of my family. Austin came into Savannah's life as if he already knew her, as if the ocean carried his deep love across miles and delivered it to her in a sand dollar.
Standing here with you today, knowing this is the most important day of our lives, still doesn't feel real. I can honestly say that it does not matter whether it's been 2 years or 11. You have always been my day one.
Our wedding is such a small glimpse of what feels like a lifetime that we have spent together. There was no question that this day would come. While I didn't see it at first, I now understand. You have given us both such a gift to be absolutely ready for the next step. You remained vigilant about being the best version of yourself. You are the most humble person I know. Thank you for reminding me that there is always reflection and the ability to grow both together and individually, to embrace life's timing.
I'll support your decisions, make sure you are heard, and ensure you are always seen for the incredible person you are to me. Before anything else, you are my best friend, someone I could never imagine living without.
Everybody, welcome to Austin and Savannah's wedding, Mr. and Mrs. Manera, here on the beautiful island of Kauai.
I deeply admire him for his steadiness, the way he can make her laugh with one line, the generosity he shows in his actions, and the way he handles her incessant sleep talking. There's nobody there, Savannah. Go back to bed.
These two are undeniably meant to find one another. Thank you for being my family, my best friends, and my babies, Auntie Lina and Uncle Tintin. Cheers to the Maneras, and it's almost time to party.
I always knew Austin was built different when he was up in college. I know he'd been dating. I mean, who couldn't resist the swagged out head turner? I truly believe he's found his life's purpose in you.
This guy is small, but I don't know, he's real powerful. That's why his name is Austin Powers. One, two, three, mabuhay! 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 Cheers!
As we begin this next chapter of our journey together, I vow to always stand by your side, to comfort you and protect you and support you in our future family. In every adventure life takes us on, I promise to never give up on you. I can't wait to take on the rest of life with you. We've already faced the good, the bad, and the ugly. I know what it takes to persevere with you, and I know without a doubt that you are my true love forever. I love you.
Today, in front of those who matter most, I vow to love you the way you have taught me to love, fully, without hesitation, without fear. I vow to choose you in every lifetime and every version of myself. You are my once in a lifetime, my safest place, my greatest adventure. We did it.
It is my great honor to pronounce you husband and wife.
So everybody, could we raise the glass? May your marriage be as steady as Austin's cast and as full of joy as Savannah's laughter on this shoreline. May your love be kind, that's patient, adventurous, and always worth the wait. Cheers!
Very happy that I reached the nice, beautiful wedding of Austin and Savannah. So thank you very much from Oregon family.